Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, what is the equation of the line that passes through the ordered pairs shown in the table below? So let's look at the information that is given to us. And let's see, they want me to find the equation of the line. And they are giving us ordered pairs, right? Which you see on the table with x and y values. So what they mean by equation of the line, of course, it means to write it on slope-intercept form. And the reason why I know is because if I look at the answer choices, it looks exactly like the slope-intercept form, which you will see right now here. And look, it looks exactly the same. The y is by itself, and there's an mx plus b, right? So in order for me to find the m, right? Remember we said m is slope. Of course, I'm not going to do rise over run because I don't have a graph. So I can use a formula, or I can also do change of the y over change of the x. One of the things that I noticed with the change of the y and change of the x is that if I have negative numbers, sometimes it can get quite confusing to decide if you're adding, subtracting, and things like that. So to avoid that problem, let's just go with the formula, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x of 1. And let's choose 2 points from the table, any 2 points that you want. So I'm going to choose -3 and 10. And you know what? I'm going to choose 0 and 4. Okay? You can choose any 2 points that you want. Okay? So let's write some labels here. -3 is x of 1. And 10 is y sub 1. 0 is x of 2. And 4 is y sub 2. We're going to circle my y x's, or my y values, sorry, because those are the numbers that I am going to write on the numerator. So I'm going to start with y sub 2, which is 4 minus 10. X of 2 is 0 minus -3. Now be careful the way that I wrote 0 minus -3. I did not just write 0 minus 3. There's a minus and then the -3, okay? So m will be equals to 4 minus 10 gives me a -6, and 0 minus -3 is actually a +3. M is going to be equals to -2, and that's my slope, okay? So if I come back to my equation, I know that m is going to be replaced with -2 and then followed by the x, okay? I still need to know the y-intercept. Now, there's a couple of things you need to remember about the y-intercept. Number one is that the y-intercept is where the location where the line crosses the y-axis, which means that x coordinate has to be 0. Is that right? Which is right here. So if the x is 0, then the 4 is my y-intercept. Okay? But if you don't remember that, if you don't remember your definition for the y-intercept, then we're going to need to work out the problem, okay? Which is perfectly fine. So we're going to find the y-intercept, and I'm writing it right here, which is b. Is that right? The y-intercept, it's b. So I'm going to write down the equation of a line, which is y equals mx plus b. I need to choose 1 point from the ones on the table, whichever points you want, okay? So I can go ahead and choose -1 and 6 if I want to, or you can choose any other point. where -1 is x and 6 is your y value. Okay, so let's replace the values. Y is 6, m it's already -2, so I'm gonna write down -2. I found it earlier, right? And x it's -1 plus b. Okay, so -2 times -1 is actually +2 plus b. I need to leave b by itself, so I need to get rid of the +2. So I need to remove that 2 by subtracting 2 on both sides. Okay, so the 2's are gonna cancel, and I get b equals 6 minus 2 is 4. And this is my y-intercept. Okay, so I got already my slope, and now I got the y-intercept. Okay, which means m is going to be replaced with a -2, and b will be replaced with a +4. So I will finish my equation by writing +4. If b was negative, I will need to write minus as an operation. Since b is positive, I write a plus. Okay, so let's look at the answer choices. And my answer choice for this will be letter C. Very good.